Hi students, continuing with sums of ratio proportion. I am going to do few important sums of exercise 7c and finish 7c, and then we'll go to the remaining sums of 7, prove that sums. That is the last part. So now the question here is 13 sum. If 16a minus x upon a plus x the whole cube is equal to a plus x upon a minus x, prove that x is equal to a upon 3. That is the question. So we start with 16 is equal to, solution 16 a minus x upon a plus x the whole cube is equal to a plus x upon a minus x. So we are taking, let a minus x upon a plus x is equal to k. So automatically a plus x upon a minus x will be 1 upon k, reciprocal. So then we substitute those values in the question. 16 k cube is equal to 1 upon k. Therefore cross multiplying k raised to 4 is equal to 16 comes down 1 by 16. Therefore k will be 4th root of 1 by 16. So k is equal to 1 by 2. Then we resubstitute the value of k, we get a minus x upon a plus x is equal to 1 upon 2. Then by invert into we get a plus x upon a minus x is 2 upon 1. Then we can do component. Now we are doing component to dividend directly from now on. So a plus x plus a minus x and a plus x, and you have to change the sign of this, minus a plus x, and here 2 plus 1 2 minus 1. Then here the x will get cancelled, and in the denominator a will get cancelled. X cancelled, a cancelled. So 2a upon 2x is 3 upon 1. So a upon x is 3. So x is equal to a upon 3. Another way of solving is you can cross multiply 2 here and a plus x here and open the bracket. Again you will end up with the same answer. So two methods of doing the sum. So this was 13 sum. Then we directly go to the 19 sum. In the 19 sum, the question you can see it is of this form: a plus 3b plus 2c plus 6d, a minus 3b plus 2c plus 2c minus 6d is equal to, it's a particular pattern, and you have to prove a upon b is equal to c upon. So start with the question. So here there is a plus b, and here a plus 3b, here also a plus 3b. So what we do is we are doing alternando, and then we do component. I told you how to write a plus 3b plus 2c plus 6d plus a plus 3b minus 2c minus 6d. Copy the entire thing as it is, and in the denominator you just, when you are subtracting, you change the sign. Plus a will become minus a, minus 3b become plus 3b, plus 2c will become minus 2c, minus 6d become plus 6d. So here also a minus 3b plus 2c minus 6d plus a minus 3b minus 2c plus 6d here, and then when you are writing the denominator, a minus 3b plus 2c minus 6d as it is, and from here onward you start changing the signs. So plus become minus a, minus 3b become plus 3b, minus 2c become plus 2c plus 6d minus 6d, and then cancelling 3b and minus 3b, 6d and minus 6d, a and minus a, 2c and minus 2c, 3b and minus 3b, minus 6d and 6d, a and minus a, then plus 2c and minus 2c. So here what remains is 2a plus 4c and 6b plus 12d, and here you get 2a minus 4c and 6b minus 12d. Then again we do alternando so that a plus c and a minus c come below each other. So 2a plus 4c, 2a minus 4c, 6b plus 12d, 6b minus 2. Then again we do component dividendo. We get 4 upon 8 and 12 upon 24. Again we do cancellation. We get a upon 2c is equal to b upon 2d. Then multiplying both sides by 2, so 2 vanishes. So we get a upon c is equal to b upon d. Then again we do alternando and we get the answer. So it's just a method sum. You keep doing it and you get the answer. So similar, next sum is also similar. That is 2a plus 2b minus 3c minus 3d, 2a minus 2b minus 3c plus 3d, a plus b minus 4c minus 4d, a minus b minus 4c plus 4d. You have to prove a upon b is equal to c upon d. Again starting with the question, doing here directly component to dividend, because 2a plus 2b and below 2a minus 2b and a plus b, so it's directly one below the other, and then we end up with this. Then we remove common, 2 common from here also, so we get 2a minus 3c, 2 common from here, 2b minus 3d, 2 common from here, a minus 4c, 2 common from here, b minus 4d, 2 to cut, and then cross multiply, because here there is no similarity, so they are all different terms. So directly we do cross multiplying, and when you open the bracket, just open the bracket, normal opening the bracket, 2a into b minus 4d minus 3c into b minus 4d, and here a into 2b minus 3d minus 4c into 2b minus 3d. Just open the bracket, cancel the same signs from both sides, and then whatever remains, you bring AD terms to one side and BC terms to the other side. Minus 5 you can cancel from both sides by dividing, and AD equal to BC, so A upon B is C upon D. So another simple sum of the same type. 21st is also of the same type. A plus B plus C plus D is to A plus B minus C minus D is equal to A minus B plus C minus D is to A minus B minus C plus D. We have to prove same. A is to B is equal to C is to D. So we start with the question, write it upon form, and then directly we do component of dividend. We end up with 2A plus 2B, 2C plus 2D, 2A minus 2B, 2C minus 2D. Remove 2 common, and then again we do alternate, then we do component of dividend, and in the end you get A upon B is equal to C upon D. So A is to C is equal to C, A is to B is equal to C is to D. So this is first. Then the last sum of this part, which is also very simple. You are given x cube plus 12x upon 6x square plus 8 is equal to y cube plus 27y upon 9y square plus 27. And they have said by using component dividend show that find x is to y. So we will copy the question, then do component dividend. So this is basically the formula of x plus 2 the whole cube. This is the formula of x minus 2 the whole cube. This is the formula of x plus 3 the whole, sorry, y plus 3 the whole cube. And this is the formula of y minus 3 the whole cube. Then taking cube root from both sides, the cube root part will go. So you get x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is y plus 3 upon y minus 3. Again we do component dividend. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel, plus x minus x cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, plus y minus y cancel. So 2x upon 4 is equal to 2y upon 6. So by cancelling you get x upon 2 is equal to y upon 3. So x upon y is equal to 2 upon 3. So x is to y is 2 is to 3. So this finishes one more part, and the next part will be prove that we will see in the next video.